Hey, how you doing? Yeah. I'm not sure how to. Which one's what? News. Let's try this guy.
Oh, looks like this is your last one.
Let's do it. Can I get another one? Another book?
You want to get another booklet?
Yeah.
So, they're not. You got. I'm assuming you got this on sale.
I might have. I don't remember.
Did you pay 60?
Yeah.
Okay. So the original price for these booklets are 80.
Mm-hmm.
You still pay for 4 washes, and the 5th one is free. Did you want to do that?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay.
Wait, so how do I do that?
Did you want the same one for 80? It's the gold carnivora. Carnivora. It still has 3-day range head.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah, it's the same one.
Certainly.
It's just gonna be 80 instead of 60 now. We go. I'm not sure if we're gonna do another sale soon. I know that we do a big buy 3 get 2 free sale during the winter, like around Christmas time.
Okay, so that'll be the next one. All right.
Good right there.
All right, air freshener.
Control on the brake, please.
Hey.